everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are learning German and you want to start speaking as soon as possible, this video is for you. Today, we are going to learn 50 essential German phrases that you will hear and use in everyday life. These phrases will help you greet people, ask simple questions, order things, understand basic conversations, and sound more natural when speaking German. Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will go slowly, and I will explain everything clearly. You can also repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. So grab a notebook if you want. And let's start. Part 1, Greetings. Let's start with the most important thing. Greetings. 1. Hallo. This means hello. Very simple and very common. Repeat after me. Hallo. 2. Guten Morgen. This means good morning. Repeat. Guten Morgen. 3. Guten Tag. This means good day. It is a polite greeting. Repeat. Guten Tag. 4. Guten Abend. This means good evening. Repeat. Guten Abend. 5. Wie geht es Ihnen? This means, how are you? Formal. Repeat. Wie geht es Ihnen? 6. Wie geht's? This is the informal version. It means, how are you? Repeat. Wie geht's? 7. Mir geht es gut. This means, I'm doing well. Repeat. Mir geht es gut. 8. Nicht schlecht. This means, not bad. Repeat. Nicht schlecht. Practice. Let's do a quick practice. Imagine you meet someone.
Hallo. Wie geht's?
Mir geht es gut, danke. Repeat the dialogue. Part 2. Polite words. Politeness is very important in German culture. 9. Bitte. This word means, please. You're welcome. Repeat. Bitte. 10. Danke. This means, thank you. Repeat. Danke. 11. Danke schön. This means, thank you very much. Repeat. Danke schön. 12. Entschuldigung. This means, excuse me or sorry. Repeat. Entschuldigung. Part 3. Introducing yourself. Now let's learn phrases for introducing yourself. 13. Ich heiße. This means, my name is. Example. Ich heiße Anna. Repeat. Ich heiße. 14. Wie heißen Sie? This means, what is your name? Formal. Repeat. Wie heißen Sie? 15. Wie heißt du? This is the informal version. Repeat. Wie heißt du? 16. Ich komme aus. This means, I come from. Example. Ich komme aus Ägypten. Repeat. Ich komme aus. 17. Ich wohne in. This means, I live in. Repeat. Ich wohne in. Practice dialogue.
Hallo. Wie heißen Sie?
Ich heiße Maria. Und Sie?
Ich heiße Daniel.
Repeat the dialogue slowly. Part 4, Asking for help. These phrases are very useful in everyday life. 18. Sprechen Sie Englisch? This means, do you speak English? Repeat. Sprechen Sie Englisch? 19. Ich verstehe nicht. This means, I don't understand. Repeat. Ich verstehe nicht. 20. Können Sie das wiederholen? This means, can you repeat that? Repeat. Können Sie das wiederholen? 21. Können Sie langsamer sprechen? This means, can you speak more slowly? Repeat. Können Sie langsamer sprechen? Part 5. Useful daily phrases. 22. Was kostet das? This means, how much does this cost? 23. Wo ist die Toilette? This means, where is the toilet? 24. Wo ist der Bahnhof? This means, where is the train station? 25. Eine Fahrkarte, bitte. This means, one ticket, please. Part 6. Ordering things. 26. Ich hätte gern. This means, I would like. Example. Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee. 27. Die Speisekarte, bitte. This means, the menu, please. 28. Die Rechnung, bitte. This means, the bill, please. 29. Zum Mitnehmen, bitte. This means, to go, please. 30. Hier, bitte. This means, here, please. Part 7. Time and days. 31. Wie spät ist es? What time is it? 32. Heute. Today. 33. Morgen. Tomorrow. 34. Gestern. Yesterday. 35. Jetzt. Now. Part 8. Saying goodbye. 36. Tschüss. Bye. 37. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Formal. 38. Bis später. See you later. 39. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow. 40. Einen schönen Tag noch. Have a nice day. Bonus phrases. 41. Alles klar. All right. 42. Kein Problem. No problem. 43. Natürlich. Of course. 44. Vielleicht. Maybe. 45. Genau. Exactly. 46. Wirklich? Really. 47. Super. Great. 48. Moment bitte. One moment please. 49. Ich glaube. I think. 50. Ich lerne Deutsch. I am learning German. And there you have it. 50 essential German phrases you will hear and use all the time. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Instead, watch the video again. Repeat the phrases. Practice speaking out loud. Language learning is not about perfection. It's about practice. One phrase at a time. One baby step at a time. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive new videos, my dear ones.